Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we're talking about the BDS dual steering stabilizer kit for the 03 to 13 Dodge Ram trucks. So that's going to be the 2500 and the 3500 pickup trucks. Now let's get into the years of application that this fits on real quick, because it can get a little bit confusing. So follow me here. This will work on 2003 to 2012 Dodge Ram 3500s and 2003 to 2013 Dodge Ram 2500s. If you have, a 13 or a 12 or something like that, and you're not sure which one's which, if you have radius arms on the front of the truck, this is not for you. This is going to be for a truck that still has control arms on the front. So again, 03 to 12, 3500, 03 to 13, 2500. If you're not sure if you have Y-style or T-style steering, there's a couple different ways. My two favorites are getting a visual underneath the truck, so get underneath the truck and have a look at it. Y-style steering will have the drag link going from the pitman arm, connecting directly to the passenger side, and then from the driver's side, they'll have an arm coming up and then connecting to the drag link. So there is no actual direct connection between the two front wheels. If you have T-style steering, you will have one large beam, a tie rod connecting the two front wheels, and then the drag link will go from the pitman arm down to the tie rod and push and pull that around. There won't be any sort of joint in between the two front wheels, just one solid bar connecting it. That will be T-style steering. Other way you can look at it is, how was the factory steering stabilizer mounted on there? If it was mounted with a U-bolt, that's T-style steering. If it's Y-style steering, it's going to have a bolt going through the bar itself. Personally, I like the first method, but the steering stabilizer option is never a bad idea. As far as what comes in this kit, everything you need to install. We've got these nice high quality brackets here. It comes with all the U-bolts you need, all grade 8 hardware, everything is taken care of, and it comes with these nice Fox 2.0 shocks on there. Now let's talk about, do you need a steering stabilizer and what's it going to fix? If you're running a larger wheel and tire package on your truck, you may notice the steering wheel gets a bit of vibration, a little bit of road noise coming through there, just kind of a shock load coming through. That's what a steering stabilizer is going to help. If you're having death wobble issues, as in the steering wheel is getting ripped out of your hands, steering stabilizers are not going to fix that. That means you have something else going on. You have a worn out component in the front of the truck, ball joints, unit bearings, control arm bushings. You have something else going on. Steering stabilizers are not going to fix that issue. It may be a Band-Aid for literally a 100, a 200, 300 miles, but it's not going to fix the issue. If you are having death wobble issues, you need to call us, because we do have sales technicians on the phone that can guide you to the right part and steer you, pun intended, in the right direction. When it comes to warranties, BDS is one of my favorites. They literally print on every box, no fine print, and that's how they live. There's a no fine print warranty. If you have an issue, contact them. They're out in Michigan, and they will get you taken care of. And that's right, everything that they make is made right here in the good old USA. So if you have any questions on this or want to make sure you're getting the right part for your truck, don't hesitate, give us a call. We've got sales technicians that are very familiar with Dodge Ram front ends on the phones, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach out through the online chat feature on our website, email, any of the social medias. We are here to help and give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.